Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have completed our chapter 9, reproduction. Now, in today's class, we are starting our new chapter, chapter number 10, adolescence and puberty. Means which type of characteristics develop in our body of male and female, in boys and girls, which type of characteristics, which type of changes occur during the age of maturity. So we will discuss in this chapter adolescence and puberty. First we will talk about the adolescence. What is adolescence? Adolescence is the time of period when body undergoes changes to reach reproductive maturity. Means it is the time period in which our body undergoes changes to the reproductive maturity. This time period is start from the age of 11. In when boy and girl are in the age of 11 years, then adolescents are developing. Then adolescents are starting. It is the starting time. And the ending time is 18 or 19 years. Means adolescence means sexually maturity. Reproductive maturity start from the age of 11 and it end in the age of 18 and 19 years. This time period is known as adolescence. In girls begin 1 or 2 years than the boys. It starts earlier. In girls, this period starts earlier 1 or 2 years as compared to boys. Okay, understand? In girls, it starts earlier than the boys. Now we talk about the puberty. Puberty means changes that occur in our body during the adolescence. Means in the time of adolescence, which type of changes occur in the body of boys and girls. So different types of changes, various types of changes occurs in the body of boys and girls are known as puberty. When teenagers attain sexual maturity. In this period, teenagers attain sexually mature. Boys and girls become sexually mature. Different type of changes occurs in the body of boys and males. So we will discuss various type of changes occur in the body of boys and males. First change is increase in height. In this changes, our long growth of our long bones of arms, means our height increases. The height of boys and girls are increases. Okay, girls grow faster than the boys. But the maximum height gain at the age of 18 years. This is the last time when we growth. After 18 years, we cannot grow. Okay, our height cannot increases. Boys and girls both. So our height increases before the age of 18 years. 18 years is the last age. After that, our height cannot be increased. So our height increases in the period of puberty. Second change in body shape. Our body shape also changes. For example, in boys, voice box, larynx start growing in boys, not in girls. You see a small bone look like this. This is become outside in boys as compared to girl. This is called larynx voice box, which is known as edema apple. It's grow in boys. It produce male in the neck region. It is produced in male neck region. It is only in males. It's not grow in female. So our voice box or larynx increases in the males, in the boys, which is known as edema apple. In boys, low pitch voice. The voice is low pitch, and in girls the voice is high pitch. In girls the voice is high pitch, and in boys the voice is low in pitch. Okay, So this type of changes in occur. Okay. Now third changes in activity of sweet and sebaceous gland. Activate the sweet and sebaceous gland. Sweet glands means oil secretion from sebaceous gland, and sweet activity of sweet glands increases. Activity of sweet glands increases, as a result more sweets production in our body. More sweet production in our body if sweet glands activity is increases. And also oil secretion from sebaceous gland also increases. In the time of puberty, oil secretion increases during the time of puberty. Oil is secreted from the sebaceous gland, and this oil accumulated in our face, and due to the bacterial infection it convert into the acne. So the acne means pimples is the main problem of teenagers, and the reason of pimples is oil secretion, and this oil accumulated on our faces, and due to the bacterial infection it convert into the acne problem. Okay, pimples problem. Now fourth change in sex organ. Our sex organ also changes. For example, in boys, testis and penis develop completely. Testis and penis we have already discussed in the male reproductive system. It is the part of male reproductive organ, testis and penis. So the testis and penis completely developed in the boys, and also testis start producing sperm. Sperm also produced by the testis during the time period of puberty, during the puberty time. Okay, and in girls, ovary completely develop and start producing egg. So in the during of puberty, different sex organs changes occur in our body. For example, in boys, testis and penis are completely developed, sperms are produced, and in girls, ovary completely developed and eggs are produced. So this type of sexual changes occur in our body. Now last change in intellectual level. Intellectual level means learning of brain is also increases. Learning power also increases in this time of puberty, which takes place during the adolescence, and secondary sexual characters also develop. So this is the intellectual activity. Intellectual characters means learning power increases and secondary sexual characters increases. So in next class we will discuss what are the secondary sexual characters, which type of secondary sexual characters occurs in boys and girls. So this is the adolescence and puberty. Okay, adolescence means the time period when body undergo changes to reproduction maturity, and puberty is the different type of changes occur during the adolescence. During the adolescence, different type of changes occurs in the body of boy and girl are known as puberty, and we have discussed different type of changes which is occur in boy and girls. So this is the adolescence and puberty. Now in next class we will discuss the secondary sexual characters. Thank you so much.